Okay, do your thing.
It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a great day. We're gonna try to do a real couples painting again with a shovel full of paint.
Would you take the torch and hit the bubbles that are in here first?
Sure.
See it right behind you? Oh, right over there. Push button. Don't burn me. Just see the green. Oh, it's hot.
I'm sorry.
Okay, hit on the green. Okay, good deal. Thanks.
Whoa, it's dripping. Oh, it's pretty though.
That's okay. That's the way we're. Oh, shit's coming out the back end too.
Okay, okay, we're gonna go, guys. Let's give this a shot.
Come on.
Are we up too high, maybe?
No, not yet. I'm trying to get it all out of here.
I see.
There we go. Okay. Okay, start lowering it a little bit. Come on. Oh, shoot, not even. That's why. Oh. Easy. Try to go real slow so you get the paint out of here.
I'll let you pull it then. I thought you were having a hard time with it.
No, I'm not. Not yet, anyhow. Interesting, there wasn't nothing there to do all that.
Oh, we don't, neither one of us here. Use this. Use this.
I got this one there.
Interesting. This side came out good. What are we gonna do?
What are we going to do? Good question. Oh, look, there's any orange in there. There's a lot of orange in there. The orange didn't show.
Good, that's good. Well, there's a little orange just around the edges, which is good. Orange usually takes over. Okay, what could we do?
Where's this in here? And we can push this back in.
Here, use this.
Where'd that color come from?
I don't know.
That orange or green, we can always touch it up black or later, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we just can pour some there, right? Because there's really not a mixture of good there.
This is really not.
We're gonna just put a little white there. Since there was white there, see?
Mm-hmm.
Might put a little white here.
Well, look at them. They're interested in the green
I
cells
know,
popping
cool,
up.
huh?
Well, let's see.
That's cool there. Well, did it pretty good. A lot more, it's funny because it's a lot more paint on that side than that side, obviously.
Yeah. You know what I think we should do?
What?
I think we should take that piece of plastic, that's right. You have a piece of plastic right behind, just do a swipe right across, right around the whole thing. Can we cut that the width of that and we'll just do a swipe like this around here and see if we can pull up all those cells?
Sure.
You think? How big? There's scissors right here somewhere.
You know, if I do it, it's not going to be even, so.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try, take it from the thick side. Want me to do it or you want to do it?
You can do it.
Sure.
Sure. Just watch there.
I'm trying to get that up.
Now you go.
I see it, yeah. And that we can take care of. So that's interesting. As far as this, you know, we can
I can touch.
touch it up with black. That's no problem.
Yeah, I can get rid of it though. I mean, a little bit of it without screwing
yeah,
it
I
up.
guess you could.
If you can hold the Lazy Susan for a second.
Hold on, Lazy Susan. Hold on to that, Lazy.
Yeah, it's pretty. What
You
are
go
we
look at
doing now?
these cells. Oh, well, we can embellish it later with stars and stripes. I told you, but we use neon colors, neon purple, orange, green, and blue, and we use
We use color shift green flash. We use color shift red flash. And we didn't use this one, right?
no, we did not. We used what color is this? Was that just the orange?
No, I think that was this.
Oh, color shift on a red flash.
Yeah.
Red flash. Yeah, let's see. I'd like to see this purple sell up a little more. Over here. I can probably turn it here. Okay, so that could, around the edges could be all. It actually came out pretty even. Let me get this back a little bit. Actually came out pretty even as far as moving that dustpan around the sides.
You did a great job,
Or a
John.
couple of jokers here.
Well, you did it.
I don't know if I should maybe try to swipe. I think maybe I should try to.
That purple. Well, you can cut
The white's starting to pop up in the purple. So.
here.
We have a
We
smaller
got
one.
these little ones. Hold on. There's probably a smaller one too. This is a thinner
Did you just put this stuff in here, or was it just the way it was?
No, I just put it in there.
Oh, okay, I see. Well,
Do you want to cut it up more?
I don't think so. I think if, see, I'm not worried about what, I don't want to use that in. I'm not worried about what happens till yeah, see, we can fix that.
Yeah, I know. Didn't do. Took away some of the cells that were there.
Hey, you're going to see a lot of cells pop up, especially on the green. See the orange over here, the green and the orange. All right.
Wow.
Well, I'm not unhappy with that. Are you?
No, it's a good way to end the day.
Yeah, it was a
Something
nice, nice practice thing
pretty
using
cool.
this,
Yeah, you did very
using
well
this
with
big,
that.
big dustpan.
Very well. Did a
Dustpan
great
pour.
job.
So I'm sure by the time you see this, it'll be all embellished and stuff like that. And
Or we might do it. We might decide what we're gonna do, and if it's something that would be interesting for them to see, we'll do it there. If not, we'll just do it and show it to you when it's
Show you.
done.
show you what it looks like up close here.
Oh, excuse me.
See all the cells in it. The green, the orange. Okay, Patty, I think we did good.
Good
think you
job,
did good.
John. High five.
We're still learning.
Everybody's always still learning. There's
We're
always
learning.
things to learn. There's always things to.
This is close
Try to
to 100. This will be close to 100 YouTube videos on when it comes on, probably next week, week after.
Really?
Yeah, so
100, huh?
100,
Wow.
yeah. So hopefully we're learning something.
Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully they've been getting better. Hopefully. All right, guys. So that was a great way to end the day. It's the beginnings of our rainbow. Right?
Rainbow. It's sort of, kind of not like quite rainbow colors, but
Sort of rainbow colors. All right, that's it for today. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. This is John and Patty doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
peace out. Goodbye. Okay. This has been put dots on it. A horse on it. Today we'll be finishing this one up. Okay, well, we're finished with this painting now. You can see it's changed a little from the last view, the last part of the video. Patricia's went and put a lot of dots on it. She's got the unicorn is all decorated now in sparkles, multicolor sparkles. If you can see them good in him. And the dots all have the big dots here all have all around here on the top have sparkles on them. And probably make a nice picture for a child's room. Be nice, rainbows, unicorn, dots, sparkles. What more could you want? Okay guys, well that's it. We're gonna put this one away now. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings at eBay, at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is John and Patty doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another. Enjoy each moment of every day. Peace. Goodbye.